An investor group led by KKR is going to pay $4 billion for Del Monte, a company you probably know for its green jars of canned fruit, or cans anyway. It's actually more of a pet food play. John Ehrlichman is following that story. John?
Yeah. Huge player in pet food, Eric. And by the way, Del Monte shares very active in the pre-market so far, moving higher. Pretty close to the level where this deal has been reached, $19 a share, which is essentially a 30% premium from where the stock was trading about a month ago. For those who are looking at this business, there have been a lot of reasons to be optimistic. Consumer spending has been picking up, and so that's good news for Del Monte, not only for the canned stuff that they make, but the pet food products like Meow Mix, Kibbles and Bits, etc. Private equity interested in this because of the steady money that they get from this business. However, analysts had recently been suggesting maybe the profit power could be dipping a little bit because of competition. Then the private equity deal between KKR and other players, including James Kills, the former CEO of Kraft and Gillette, come together, offer the price that this company has never seen before, and all of a sudden they've struck a deal.
John, let's talk about the relationship between KKR and Del Monte, because it goes back quite a ways.
It does. KKR first acquired this business when they bought RJR Nabisco back in the late 1980s. They sold that off as part of that deal. There was a lot of debt with that deal. A group led by Merrill Lynch eventually did a deal to buy the business. Then we also saw TPG own the business for a long period of time. On that note, the current CEO, Richard Wolford, was brought in by TPG to run the business. He's in his mid-60s now, so he's very familiar with these private equity players, and that is how this deal in part got together. As for whether somebody else is going to come to the table, they are saying they're going to entertain offers until January, so we will see if there's any other interest in this Del Monte business. For now, the biggest private equity takeover of the year. Back to you.
John, thanks.